Hello all, welcome to EdrawMax. In this video, we'll explore some of the new features in EdrawMax version 11.5.0. Let's begin with dark mode. In this version of EdrawMax, launch speed has been greatly increased by 60%, making it even more productive by saving you time. On the top right corner, you will see one newly added feature, dark mode, under the style icon. This feature enables users to view the interface in dark mode, which helps reduce eye strain, particularly when diagramming late at night. Now let's explore some new diagram features. A new feature is found under the roadmap diagram type. Navigate to the roadmap diagram type as shown. The different stages of the roadmap can be distinguished by swim lanes, which are divided into 3 stages: preparation, in progress, and completion. You can directly drag the card symbols from the symbol library on the left into the roadmap as needed. The card symbols allow users to input specific items such as title, detailed content, label, person in charge, deadline, and current progress as shown. Now let's look at a new feature under the electrical diagram type. From New, navigate to Engineering, choose Electrical Engineering, and select Basic Electrical. Let me draw a simple circuit to explain the new feature. When you create a connector from a symbol to another line in the electrical diagram, you will find a black dot on the drawing junction. The next enhancement we made is to organization charts. This is how you should be navigating to organization charts. In order to insert pictures into the title cards, browse for the pictures. In this new version, you can select multiple images at once. Once you have the pictures on the drawing board, you can choose the picture of your choice and hover over the title card. The picture automatically gets fitted into the title card as shown. Now let's look at a new addition, Icons and Clip Art. You can see this new addition under the Insert tab. You can choose the icons and clip art from the various options in the different categories as shown. Now let's look at the Repeat tool. With this new feature, the last action can be repeated just by pressing the F4 key. Now let's look at newly added Better Visualizing Diagrams. The first one is a project timeline. Navigate to the project timeline diagrams as shown. Choose any of the diagrams from the templates below. You can make your own project timeline easily by using the timeline symbol in the symbol library now. The second one is a risk management diagram. Navigate to risk management diagrams as shown. You can choose the risk management model template based on your need. Choose any of the diagrams from the templates. Type in your analysis information and visualize your analysis. The third one is the User Research Diagram. This is how you should be navigating to user research diagrams. You can find different user research templates. Select any of the diagrams from the templates to fit your needs. The fourth one is the Roadmap Diagram. Navigate to Roadmap Diagrams as shown. Select any of the diagrams from the templates. There are colorful stickers available in the symbol library. You can drag and drop the symbols on the roadmap. They will automatically stick to the roadmap. No matter where you put the roadmap, the stickers will stay on the map. The fifth one is the course learning diagram. Navigate to course learning diagrams as shown. You can find multiple planner templates to plan your study and work. There are colorful canvas templates available in the symbol library to create more visualizing diagrams. Now let's look into the template update enhancement. This new version has updated templates and symbols in different diagram categories. You can see updated templates and an updated symbol library under organization charts. Next, you can see enhancements made to templates under the list diagram type. Now let's see the updates made to Gantt charts. The Gantt chart is updated with 6 new themes as shown. Similarly, you can see the updated templates and symbols under Project Timeline, Project Calendar, and the Relationship Matrix diagram type as shown. All of these new features in EdrawMax version 11.5.0 make this application even more user-friendly. Please visit the EdrawMax website for more details.